Hello guys, we are day 20 of trading. We are the 4th of October. So yesterday I took a loss because I didn't respect the plan and I took some stupid trade. I was inside the trap zone. Actually the trade was this one. So I enter in this pause after a big green candle, but I was under a resistance, so it was stupid trade. Was emotional and make a bad decision. So we'll see what we're gonna do today. So the market, what's happening? So yesterday we, after a big drop, we went down with this big candle that happened suddenly after news, and almost touched the 200 on the daily chart, at least close to the area of resistance of this range here. And now we are back. I mean, after the rest of the day, the price moved up, and now we are gapping above this level. So now we are looking for long opportunities, maybe. So let's see. One thing also, I got a hand operation today, and my hand is a bit and my left hand is not working properly, so it will be funny to press hotkeys, but we'll see. Okay, let's see. So Apple, what we're doing, Apple massive gap up, close to, I mean, this is a massive gap, so maybe we can play Apple. We need to be careful because at 28 there is a resistance, like even this area is resistance because it's almost close to the high and the highest, so we need to be careful. If entry is small, is okay to take it, but the gap is quite big. We are gapping like $6, so yeah, it's 3% almost. It's quite big. So Apple long, I like it, but not too much because we're quite far from the Fab 4. So just 2 stars. Okay, Apple we can also, I think we can, if the bar is not too big, we can also take a short. Maybe it's difficult. Depending if the bar is very small, we can maybe take a short. But yeah. AMD looks much better. We jumped out of the 200 daily, and now we are gapping above the last day price. So AMD looks better. We put 3 stars. Even if we are in downturn on the daily chart, we jumped with this one, and we are gapping up. So maybe we can have some nice bounce here. Baba. Baba yesterday would have been nice to play. This move is quite nice, but yeah, I mean, we don't care. We are inside the Fab 4 with Baba, and the daily chart doesn't look that nice. We are like, yeah, maybe for short, but later on maybe. 1 star for short. What is this? This is C. We jumped like everything else. We are gapping up, so C looks nice. Cisco, but we are here. There is a resistance on the daily, and we can have a small move. If a move is small, it's okay. We'll put 2 stars. Yeah, Disney. Whoa, it's nonsense, Disney. Well, we have like some big range here, so I don't like to trade this. Facebook looks nice. Yeah, we jumped over 200, but let's see, maybe we don't have much room. So Facebook for now we'll put like How much? 2 stars? Yes, 2 stars is enough. Guild. Guild. Problem is like we are extended from yesterday, so we might pull back before going up, and we're on a downtrend on daily, so I don't really like it. Especially the 8 MA is very close, so yeah. HAL we're in downtrend and don't really like it. Intel we are jumping off the 200, we are gapping up. The Fab4 look nice, so we'll put like maybe 3 stars for Intel. JD we jumped, but we are not gapping up, so that means there is relative weakness to the other stocks we've seen, especially with SP5. So I mean, we're not very far away from the top, so yeah, but we require a very big bar to. Okay, let's ignore Juniper for, JD for now. Juniper, what is doing? Juniper is, the daily chart looks okay, the 2-minute chart looks okay, but we are a bit extended from yesterday, so yeah, I will not take it today. Okay, JP Morgan's I guess is like C, yeah, like maybe we have more room than JP Morgan's than C, but here we have some pivots, so oh, this massive crash. So I don't know, we need to be careful on JP Morgan's, maybe. Coca-Cola. Okay, Coca-Cola. So the Fab4 doesn't look that nice. I mean, we are still like concentrated here. We are gapping up, but we still don't know. The spread is quite high at the moment, so we don't know yet. But the daily chart looks shit. We have massive red candle jump, so I don't know what we're going to do, but I don't really like it. Prefer like trendy stuff. Like this one, for example, this one we are too extended. We jumped yesterday, and now we are above. I mean, we are still spready, so we don't know where we're gonna open. But at least if we open above this last day close, there is a probability to go to take the 8 MA. I mean, to go close by. So we'll take MS as 3 stars, and maybe I will remove JP Morgan's because I prefer like less expensive stocks for now. Okay, Microsoft. For Microsoft, we daily chart is for months now. For 1 month, it's not doing anything interesting. Like maybe 2 months. Yeah, from June. Trading a range. I don't really like it. So yeah. I mean, Microsoft is a good stock to be honest, but Fab4 looks okay. We are jumping here, so we might reach the 20, but we just have $1. Don't really like it. Prefer like have a clean daily chart, like for example this one. But this one we need to be careful here. We had a massive drop. Then now we are like gapping up a little bit. Let's see. MU can be nice opportunities maybe. Put 2 stars because now we rested a little bit on the daily, so maybe we can go down. You see the 8 MA, it's quite close, so we need to be careful on this one. Okay, Nike. I don't know what they're gonna do, to be honest. I don't really like this chart. The 2-minute chart doesn't look that bad, but I have enough stocks for now, so now I'm trying to look if there is something that is nice. Like Nvidia was yesterday, would have been nice to take as a long side. Today Today we have a massive big candle here, so we need to be careful. Can we have two candles in a row like this? Not sure. Not sure. So I mean, Nvidia doesn't look that bad. I will be honest. So let me add a new chart. Okay. So the reason why I want a new chart is to have like a vision when the chart is in a square mode, how extended we are. And here we are quite extended, to be honest. Yeah, 2%. I will not take this one. Okay, what else? So we said Nvidia, we have PayPal. Okay, the stock disappeared. Oh, it's here. Okay, PayPal looks good. Looks good on the 2-minute chart. The daily doesn't look that good, so I will not take it. Looks better for short than for long, but we cannot short this. There is too much resistance here. Qcom, same story, I guess, as PayPal. So, and especially yesterday, we moved quite up quite quickly. So maybe we're gonna have some pullback. Starbucks, my new stock. Theory doesn't look that bad, but I would like to be more extended, so I will skip it. SQ, we are too extended. This is, how much is this? 2%. Yeah, we are too extended. I don't like the Fab4 to be that big. Twitter, I don't know what to think about Twitter. Okay, I will maybe put as 1 star. And then WDC for me looks good on the 2-minute chart, but the daily doesn't look that good. And this is quite extended. Yeah, 1.5%. But I like the way how it's stabilized. So let's put WDC as 2 stars, we'll see. Okay, so today I stay only half an hour on the market, not more. Yesterday I tried to stay more and then look for short opportunities. And yeah, there were no short opportunities, so that's why I left. I didn't want to do something stupid. So today I stick to the plan. Half an hour after the open is gone, and I left. I need to work on a new strategy, like that can be deployed maybe on the last day close or something like that, to get back on my losses if I have. Okay, so AMD, then C, let's put MS at the side, the same stock. Same, I mean, same sector. Then we had Apple. Yeah, the Fab4 of Apple looks nice, but I mean, we are like very high. So I cannot expect to go to, I mean, maybe we'll do, but I don't know. Cisco, we said, then there were also Intel were good, MSMU, and UDC, and Baba. Oh, we said maybe for short. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. 4 minutes to go. So most important thing is I stick to the plan. I will try. I mean, I have to. It's not I will try. I will succeed to stay within the plan. Yesterday I moved away from the plan and I took a loss, and it's good for me. It would have been a win. It would have been worse because it would have made me don't realize maybe this mistake. And now I have my strategy in front of me. So entry in 2 minutes. That means breaking the 2 minutes high or low depending on the position. So if we are above the Fab4 and not that far, if we take the high, I enter. If we take the low, I don't enter because I don't want to fight the Fab4. Yeah, the gap must be not too big is why I'm concerned about Apple, because this 3% gap is still okay, you know. But Apple is not like a penny stock. So penny stock, when there is 3%, like the people gets excited and buy it. But in Apple, there is institutions. They see 3%, maybe they take benefits. And I want to be within the same side of institutions. Okay, so if the first bar needs to be not too big, so generally I take an example of 2 to 3 last day bars. So for example, if we look for AMD, I don't want a bar to be bigger than 3 times this one, for example, or this one. So if it's bigger than this, I don't enter. I will enter on my second strategy, which is called pause. Enter on the pause. So that means I need to have position. So that means if I am above Fab4 or below, above I take only longs and below I take only shorts. I need to have trend. So that means yeah, generally with position at the open you have trend also, but later on the day you need to have the raising or declining 220 MA. You need to have color, so the color that I want to go with needs to be more powerful than the opposite one. And if I enter only on, this is something that I forgot. I enter only when the color take out the other color. So for example, if I want to go long, I need to wait for red to be taken out. And I need to be not, the first bar can be not that far from the 8. The first entry, the first pose can be like around the 8, not too far, but not too close also. And if I take the second and the third, they need to be not too far from 20, especially the third one. Okay. This is the plan. Let's crack on. 10 seconds. Let's get excited. Okay. Okay, we open. Market is not doing anything yet. MU some profit taking. WDC still not the side. Cisco dropping. Apple in the side. Okay, Intel like building power. Baba also building some kind of power, but Baba is under resistances. AMD is going way up. Let me put this like this. I don't want AMD to be too big. So now we are 20 cents. 20 cents is still okay. AMD moves a lot on the open. The market is still not decided. So 20 cent stop is 50 shares. Okay, C and MS are pulling back. WTC is strong. WTC. WDC, how much is this bar? Let's go back to with AMD. One, two, three, four. For 20 cent stops will be okay. So it means 50 shares. Okay, wait 2 minutes. I need to wait 2 minutes. This is the plan, to wait 2 minutes. Oh, it's crazy. Apple pulling back. Okay, there is nothing for now. Cisco up, but I don't like its too big bar. Okay, I don't like the way how it's trading now. Apple maybe will have been a good short, but $1 is a bit too big. Okay, Apple I think is leading a little bit the way of the market, so we're gonna wait. Going to wait. Baba dropping. But we are close to the 200, so it means okay. Baba dropping a lot, so maybe let me remove that. Now a little bit of time. Market is not yet decided what to do. MU, I don't want to take a short here. AMD is too big drop. Baba is looking nice, but I don't want to enter here because now we are extended. Okay, market is trying to resist here. Baba dropping. WDC it looks okay, but I don't know, it gapped, so that's weird. Okay, now we seems to get back. MU, let's go with how much is this bar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. It's too big. It's too big. It's too big. It's more than, it's 4 times. I will enter on the pause. I will enter on the pause if Where is Amy? Maybe the market, just the market. How much is this bar? 60 cents? Whoa, 60 cents, I cannot enter here. Okay, I cannot enter in Apple because there is no demonstration of power. Could enter in Cisco with here, but it's a bit late. Okay, what's doing the market? AMD, I like it, but now we are trapped inside this range. CMU, didn't trust it. I want to take a pause here. I don't want to enter an intermediate bar. I don't feel it's going to pop up. Baba is dropping again. MU failed to make new highs. So that means this is very bearish. But we have like plenty of resistance here. I don't want to play this thing. It's not part of the plan. QQQ failed to make new highs, so that means for short is good. Okay, I have nothing good for short here. Let's see if on my 5x4 there is someone who is fitting for short. No, there is not. Okay, so just wait. If there is nothing, there is nothing. Don't need to press the thing. Baba looks okay, but now it looks good, but now it's too extended, so I need to wait. And it's very, very, very volatile, so Apple trying to make new highs. I mean, on the way. This candle was quite solid, but market is not decided to go up, so we'll not trust Apple because market like can take the stocks and okay. Do we have something here interesting for long? Nothing. For short, we only have Baba, it's too extended. Okay, I don't try to push things. For now, the one who looks cleaner is Apple, but until it doesn't break the low and pull back on the top of the low, I will not take a long in it. Market is like doing smaller candles, is like doing this kind of flag. I don't have any flag strategies, but just commenting. Poor Baba is dropping like hell. I don't want to take a short on Apple because these red candles were quite big, and I don't want to fight big green candles. Okay, market. This Google search, whatever it's called, it's annoying. Double tails on Baba. Yeah. No, it's not too extended to play a climatic here, and I don't play climatics because I don't have quantified the success of climatics, and I don't want to. It's not on my plan, so I don't take this. Okay, Apple failed to reach the top, but the market is still not decided. Doesn't know which side he wants to go. I don't know if I can see any calendar. Let's see if there is something happening today. So I was thinking about taking this, but like I said, this is power. I don't want to fight power. We are like above position. We have 8 MA, which is quite close. I don't want to fight power, even if it's quite small. So we can just, even if we reach this here and the market is going down, it can take the target. I don't want to take it. It's not a safe trade. I don't have sizings yet, so that means this I will be able to take it maybe a light position on it, because yeah, we are still like this bar throw energy on the other side, but you see the volume on the green bars are bigger than the volume on the red bars, except the first one because it was open. But yeah, market still not decided. If the market drops, it could have worked. But this, again, this was not on the plan. Even if here I think it will work, because 2 times this is more or less like this. It's not a nice trade. This, how much is 20, 40, 20 shares. So for now, there is nothing, no opportunity. Let's see what we can do now. Well, is this one of these mornings? So we are 15 minutes into the trading day. Nothing interesting is happening now. So yeah. See, we are in a range in Apple. And these candles, even if they are big, they are less volume than the green candles. Okay. Okay, we are in a sideways move. Ah, this Apple is it's annoying. Let me deactivate that. I don't think there is something happening, something nice happening soon. Baba is too choppy. I don't want to trade Baba. $10 and I don't see anything set up correctly, because either we need to break high or to break the low on Apple. I don't want to take any overstock because they don't look nice. Let's see the 5x4. 5x4 WDC, not quite. This thing, Guild. There is multiple tastes here, so QCOM is not that bad. Oh yes, it is. Okay, I guess there is nothing today, guys. Okay. This is interesting. The SPY is doing a base here, but the QQQ is not. This is interesting here. This is an interesting here. There is a news coming out with 2 and 3 on volatility in 35 minutes. So maybe that's why we're in a range, because maybe the market is waiting for this news. And since I'm not a gambler, I don't want to trade before the news. Even if the SPY looks not that bad, if you manage to break highs here, maybe you can enter somewhere later on it. Okay, Apple maybe is leading. Not leading anything. Okay, well, like I said, I didn't want to take this because the power for now was more or less equivalent. Okay, power of these green bars were quite powerful. So it was like, yeah, with a light position I could have taken it, but not with a normal. Now I only have normal position, so I don't try things out. Try to stay with my plan because I want to respect my plan. Now it's my first priority. Baba is too choppy to take something. Even if I would like to take this one, I think it's too choppy. Well, so guys, 8 minutes to go. We finished the aperture. So aperture on Apple was this, making new low aperture finish. On AMD, same ugly thing. Drop, bounce, drop, new low, aperture finished. So now we can expect a change in the behavior of stocks. But until we don't leave this zone here, I will not take anything. Okay, on Intel, you see, seems like the big red bars are they have little to no follow through. Now we are talking. Now it seems like we are getting back on track. Intel is looking better. You see, big bar, okay, follow through a little bit. Bounce, big bar, no follow through. Red bar, no follow through. So now we can maybe expect to have upside. We'll see. Okay, now we are. It seems on the SPY, people took on the QQQ, people took a decision, or maybe not. Okay, C is going up. MS is too choppy. I don't want to trade it. Okay, still not. Okay, then I think I will stop watching this because there is nothing this morning for me. That's why I would like to have a strategy for the closing day as well. Today I cannot do the closing, but it would have been nice to do something. See, on Intel there is a rounding bottom. enter on this red bar, ignored, stop here, entry here, but this is not part of it. Okay, maybe we can have some break and pull back, and then I can maybe enter on something. Didn't break the high. News is coming in 28 minutes. Okay, there is nothing is clear. So I will wish you a good day and stay out of trouble. Okay guys, see you on Monday hopefully, and then after I don't know if I will be able to trade because I would like to take some holidays. So I don't know if I will be able to trade. Let's see. Yeah, have a nice day. Don't do anything stupid and wait for your for the market to do your plan, and don't trade the market without following your plan. Okay guys, see you another day. Ciao.